Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful abstract drag marble Halloween nail design. So I'm going to use Black by Sinful Colors called Black on Black, Sheer by Orly called Sheer Nude, Purple by Creative Play called Isn't She Grape, Orange by Pure Ice called Gorgeous, Yellow by Sinful Colors called Yellow Yellow, Green by Salon Perfect called Tropical Hideaway, and Red by Bundle Monster called Crimson Red. Whole lot of polishes. So I already painted one coat of black nail polish. Now the second coat is going to be very thick so that you're able to drag all those colors together. And I wanted to do this design. It's inspired by Robin Moses. If you don't know who she is, I love her. I watch her a lot on YouTube. And she did a drag marble Halloween nail design, and I just thought it was so fun. It's easy, and it's something you don't have to do ghosts and goblins. This is like very pretty and chic, and I have to say I love how this design came out. It's just so colorful and pretty, and it's supposed to be Halloween, but I just think it's so amazing. I just love it. Now as you see, I swirl the colors together using a nail brush. You can use anything, but I think using a nail brush, it gives it more of a prettier look. As you saw, I pulled some of that polish off and I applied a quick dry top coat. This is the first design. I want to show you two different ones. So I'm doing the other design using the sheer polish. I want to show you that you can use either sheer or black. I like using both of them. They looked really cute. They came out really pretty, and I used Halloween colors. I loved how it came out. It's just fun, pretty, and like I said, I wanted to, I do ghosts and goblins and all that stuff, but I wanted to show you not everybody wants to have, a literal Halloween design. So I did this one. I loved how it came out. You tell me if you liked the black or the sheer. I like both of them, but you can tell me which one you like the best. And like I said, I'm using a nail brush. You can use anything with a point, but I think with a brush, it just gives it more of a prettier look. The lines are more prettier. I just like using the brush. I don't use it as often, but I love how both these designs came out. And as you can see, I'm just pulling off the polish, and that helps to dry it faster and stretch out the design. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. And here's the finished look. I hope I made this video easy and simple for you guys to recreate if you want. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you.